explained to me I was going to get the protocol in terms of coming to a place like this. You know, before coming to Tahiti, it's an honor to come. You know, Auntie was telling me, yeah, we're gonna visit all these secret places and how we can enlighten us and carry the knowledge to our Tahitian group there. And so she told me to come along with her. And you know, I never know where we was gonna go. You know, but you know, Auntie, she took care. These are important places to go, and then you know, I just felt that, wow, what a blessing. I mean, all of us is probably first time except for Auntie there, yeah. And
this is my first time because I went to
so
but
it,
it wasn't this.
yeah, it's to me it's so special maybe because being that you know I learned some of the protocol for in Maui. The protocol that the first holy that I did was announcement to the kupuna or the ancestors of this place. And recognizing who we are, staying at that place, you know, not just coming into one place where, you know, like,
Not just coming in and not knocking.
yeah. So, to me, I don't know, that was like that was the door to me, and I never like come any further, yeah. But as visitors, you know, when you put one sign up, oh, you go to the sign and then we come here. Oh no, that's not traditional. That's set up for people who don't know the place to see, oh, this is there, that is there. And so I felt that, you know, like the area that we came through was like, no, I think this is the puka, we can come through here. So the kahia was announcing who we are, and the second oli was recognizing voyages, genealogy that tie us from Tahiti and Hawaii. Are we not? We're not strangers. We are secret brothers and sisters to our brothers here in Canada. And, you know, on our drive here, you know, I look at the names of the area. Hey, I came across one name like that, yeah, in Hawaii, but where? Oh, look, get that name in Hawaii. Oh, look, get that name on your Mario. So the places that we was coming across, I was just like, wow, same thing. Get Wairua here, and we get on Wairua in Hawaii, and you know, this stuff like that. So I know that's a connection. No doubt. China, that thing. This was actually the port for all of the people, all the Polynesian people. What there was the port of people coming from Aotearoa, Rarotonga, Tonga, Samoa. They all came and they stopped right here before they really this. How about you up here? So if we came from that area down this coast, this is the east side. Sunset, our west side is on that side. So the sun's it's on that side, yeah. They falling on that side. So our east is there, our north is there. So if we're looking for Hawaii, and maybe the stars looking up to come out, our kupuna and look in that area.
You know, is this supposed to be a map?
So this here was when Hopuli came on, I know function.